In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a savings account at Banco do Brasil using only your mobile phone. The process is very simple, so just follow along. Opening a savings account at Banco do Brasil is easy and can be done entirely through the app. If you already have a checking or digital account with the bank, it's even quicker because the savings account is already included. You just need to activate it. First, I'll explain how to create an account from scratch. If you already use the app and have an account, you can skip this part. After that, I'll show you where to find the savings option in the menu. For those creating a new account, open the Banco do Brasil app for the first time and tap I want to be a client. If you already have an account, just log in and go to the menu. When creating a new account, you'll see several options, including social savings. You can select that option or open a regular digital account and activate the savings account later. Follow the registration steps, allow location access so the app can find the nearest branch, enter your CPF, and provide your profile information. I'm going through this part quickly because it's very intuitive. Once your account is ready to use in the app, open the menu and look for the savings option. There you can activate your savings account and manage transfer. That's it. Open the app, create your digital account if you don't already have one, and if you do, just go to the menu to activate your savings account.